What makes Domino's Pizza a household name across the globe? How did a single pizza store evolve into a global phenomenon? The answer lies in the visionary strategies of one man, Tom Monahan, the founder of Domino's Pizza. Monahan's first strategy was an unwavering focus on quality. He knew that to stand out in the competitive pizza industry, he needed a product that customers could rely on. Fresh ingredients, a consistent taste, and timely delivery became the cornerstone of Domino's Pizza. Next, Monahan identified a unique selling point that would set Domino's apart: delivery service. He promised pizzas in 30 minutes or less, a bold guarantee that made Domino's synonymous with fast and reliable service. This wasn't just about speed. It was about respecting the customer's time and providing unparalleled convenience. As the demand for his quality pizzas grew, Monahan knew he needed to expand, but instead of shouldering this task alone, he turned to the franchising model. This allowed for rapid expansion, not only across the United States, but also internationally. Franchising enabled Domino's to tap into local market knowledge and resources, accelerating its growth. But Monahan didn't stop there. He recognized the power of effective marketing and branding. He invested time and resources in creating a strong brand identity, complete with the iconic red and blue Domino's logo, and memorable slogans like 30 minutes or less. These efforts helped cement Domino's Pizza as a recognizable and trusted brand in the minds of consumers worldwide. Finally, Monahan understood that success required constant innovation and adaptation. He was never complacent. Instead, he continuously introduced new menu items, expanded delivery options, and harnessed technology to streamline operations. By staying ahead of industry trends and consumer preferences, he ensured that Domino's Pizza remained not just relevant, but a market leader. In summary, the global success of Domino's Pizza can be attributed to Tom Monahan's strategic vision and leadership. His commitment to quality, focus on delivery service, adoption of the franchising model, investment in marketing and branding, and dedication to innovation formed the pillars of Domino's success. These strategies have not only shaped Domino's Pizza into a global powerhouse, but have also left an enduring legacy in the pizza industry.